Buy the iconic? They said, why? Speedy, reliable, timeless. And now, it upgrades. P2S. Latest 5-inch touchscreen? A piece of cake. Even your grandma can use it.
Of course.
Just touch. Energy. Make it faster. Turning and turning and turning and turning. Oh, so smooth. 5 times. Bingo! Ready for another one. Spaghetti? Blobbing? Relax. It got your back. Everything under control. Enjoy a cup of tea. Or soak up the applause. Don't be tedious. PLA, ABS, TPU. Nail them all. Oh, remember? Give it a quick drive. Make it hard. Goodbye to the warping. Make it cool. Better overhang tilting. Print, print, print. Pick, pick, pick. Make every upgrade count. The most and first selected. This time, no substitute again. The classic remain and upgrade. P2S, the icon redefined.